Bueller, 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 Bueller. What's up, everyone? Movie Maniac here. Now, this is not another movie review, but I'm here in Snow Hill, Maryland, and I'm going to visit this historical site called Furnace Town. So join me and let's check this place out and see what they have, and let's have some fun. So here's a map of the place.
You know, this reminds me.
He was a shoemaker. The little town that we stayed in.
So here it is. This is the spin house. This is where they would spin the wool, and make cloth or rope or clothing. And there you go. So here it is. This is the church. And this is the school right here. Let's go inside and see what's in here. So here it is. This is inside the school. Look at these desks. These are all the readers back in the day. Books. There's some people and classmates of the Mount Zion School. That's what this place is called. Mount Zion School. Now, do you see how the desks are lined up here? Check this out. Look at this one lonely desk right here with the chair in the corner. This is probably where the bad kids sat. So instead of having like a dunce hat, if you were bad in school or acted up, go sit in the corner. So Nick, what is the importance of Independence Day? History, it's such a bore. I don't want to be here. You think history's boring? Go sit in the corner. Really? Fine. I guess this is what I get for being bad. Getting into the wood shop. This is nice. Wood carving utensils. Here's your saws. Machinery back there. More machinery. So here's the blacksmith shop. Let's head inside. Here's all the tools. Oh. Yeah, I gotta be careful here. There's a bunch of, as you can hear, bees and bugs and stuff. So this is gonna be very quick. As long as the bees stay away from me, I'll be fine. This is the blacksmith workshop. Now, if there was a bartender, I would say, "Hey, bartender, I'm looking for that no good blacksmith. Have you seen him?" Back to the Future Part 3. So this is it. This is the furnace I'm heading up to. Of course, there's a gate up here. I can't walk farther than that. So there it is. That's the furnace. So what I showed you before, that was just the ramp to getting to the furnace, but basically this is the furnace right here. This is how they make brooms. Back there, there's the sticks. Of course, they have some nice gardening here. Stuff growing. So here it is. I'm inside the weave house. There's a weaving machine. Of course, do not touch. Here's all your yarn. So I'm inside the museum right now. Partially of the skins of duck or squirrel or deer back in the 1830s when they used to hunt. That's the person that made this model. You want to know where you get charcoal? This is where you get charcoal. I'm going to show you a little diagram here after this. So apparently in the trees, snakes would hide themselves. Black snakes would bury themselves in the trees, and when they chopped it, it would make the wood turn black, as you can see right there. Of course, when you're in the woods, just be careful. You might encounter I'm going to go inside the print shop here. This is all the printing materials they used to use. All down there. If I remember correctly, like during a printing press, or printing back in the day, just to print stuff, I remember there was separate letters or numbers, and there was like a hammer they would just smash on it, and that's what would print them out. Correct me if I'm wrong. Put it in the comment below. Yeah, I knew I was right. There's some words. And here's all like the letters, the numbers, as you can see, look. Here's the letter D or P. And here's a number right here. Sorry, that's a G, it's not a number. Here's some numbers right here. 0. There's some others. And here's some pictures. Here's another printing press. And this right here is the garden shed. And here's the garden. Alright guys, that'll do it for me here at Furnace Town in Snow Hill, Maryland. If you're ever in town, check this place out. It's a very historical site. Explains a lot of historical things, facts, fun facts. It's a self-guided tour, So there's nobody with you telling you. You can just walk around, roam free, take your time, read the signs as long as you want, be here as long as you want. It cost me $8 to come in, but they have special discounts for special members. Yeah, I highly recommend to check this place out. They're very nice. The lady inside was very nice, very helpful. So with that being said, smash that like button, support, share, hit that notification bell. Check me out on Instagram under the same name, Movie Mania Nick. And remember, stay safe, be excellent to each other, and party on, dudes.